Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. I wanted to go through the Harmonic Pattern software and really reiterate the importance of these completion zones. And not every pattern will complete, and they're the trades you don't take. So I'm going to use Bitcoin here for an example. I'm going to go through a couple of different time frames. So first of all, I'm on the 15-minute time frame, a bit of a day trading time frame really. We get this pattern didn't complete in here, so we don't take the long. We get the bat pattern didn't complete, so we don't take the short, because these are low probability trades. Remember, even when I'm looking at stocks, 90% of the stocks I look at, I don't even trade. 5% of, then I do trade. Another 5%, they just don't trigger. So when you're trading, even if you're trading Bitcoin, you are looking for the highest probability moves. And this Harmonic Pattern software discounts those. This went sideways, but then we had the crab pattern. So out of these three patterns, the one that completed in the zone had the biggest resulting trade. Let's go on to a different time frame. So now this is Bitcoin again on the hourly. As we can see here, this green pattern here went way too deep there, way too deep. It didn't complete in the completion zone. There was no trade. Yes, the resulting trade was pretty good, but the main thing is when the bat pattern completed in the zone for the short trade, that was the trade that worked very, very well. We were at 40,000 here and the lows at 29,000, so that was the trade that worked. Then we have a bat pattern that didn't complete. We just don't take the trade. If we go to another time frame, so this is the 4 hour. We have to go back to December. Now remember, we're not going to be getting harmonic patterns complete because they're complex patterns. And there's lots of fib extensions, retracements and overlaps, all that sort of thing that has to be right. And then they have to get in the completion zone. So we don't get that many, but when they do come, look at this one from December. This crab pattern completes right at the top of this completion zone, okay, around about $17,500, and look at the resulting trade, okay. That's the move up to $41,000. Then we get two patterns that don't complete. Why? Because it's going sideways. You then go down to those lower time frames I've just talked about, and you look for those that complete and take those high probability trades. So when you're using harmonics, it's about multi-time frame. So which time frames perform pretty well. Again, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 30 minute, that sort of thing on cryptocurrency. And you're keeping an eye out for these. And you're not going to get them every single day, but when they happen, when they complete, they're the high probability trades. And even if 80% don't complete, you don't take the trades, it's because they're not high probability trades. And that's the whole point of this trading strategy, is to find those high probability moves and discount all those that don't complete in the pattern completion zone. Hopefully that helps.